Y'all tired yet? Who does the impossible? Oh, oh, oh. I serve a, oh, 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 oh. In the beginning, it looked impossible for God to create, fashion and make us beautiful. He holds it all is in control. So I'll testify of the God I know. Come on. Oh, 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 oh. I serve a God. You got me. You sing. Oh, oh. I serve. If you need a miracle, shout it out. Oh, he's a way-making God. I serve. A little louder. You sing. Oh, would you tell somebody? Tell somebody. I serve. Oh, he still does it. He still does it. He still does it. I serve a God who does the impossible. I serve a God for Uganda. Oh, for your family. We speak to sickness and declare. I serve a God who, over this great nation. Oh, revival is here. Revival is now. Open the heavens, God. Pour out miracles. Pour out blessings. Pour out prosperity. For your glory, God. Heal this land. Woo! I serve. Would you touch somebody around you and impart faith? Oh, come on, put your hand on their shoulder. Let them know it's not over. It's not over yet. I serve. Just the voices, come on. Y'all sound beautiful. One more time for Uganda. Sing. He still does it. He still does it. He still does it. Still. Still does it. He still does it. He still does it. He still does it. Impossible is easy for him. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. I've heard how you walked on the water. I've read how your hand can make someone whole. I've read how your love could help me to forgive myself. It's a miracle. I expect the impossible. God can do the unthinkable, more than I ask or think, or even imagine. My life is a miracle, 'cause God can do anything, anything He wants to. Nothing's difficult. My God can do anything, anything He wants to. Nothing's difficult. My God can do. So, 10 years ago, my wife, water broke halfway during her pregnancy. And my wife is from West Africa, she's from Ghana. So we're close, we're close. Dr. Jackie is my wife. And her water broke with our first child, and the doctor said it was impossible. And, I'm so glad that nothing's difficult for our God. And the doctor said that my son wouldn't make it. And we began to pray, because we serve a God who does the impossible still. It's a true story. I went home. We stayed in the hospital for 2 months, just fighting for his life. She laid in the bed for 2 months. And while she was in the bed, one day, I stayed with her every night, but one night I went to just freshen up. I went home, and while I was there, I put out my guitar. My guitar is my weapon. I grabbed my weapon, and I called my wife on FaceTime. That's why you got to get an iPhone. If you got an Android, you need to get an iPhone. I called my wife. I picked up my weapon. And I picked up my weapon on FaceTime. And I said, we're standing here, not knowing how we'll get through this test. So faith, you know best. Nothing can catch you by surprise. You got this figured out, and you're watching us now. And when it looks as if we can't win, you wrap us in your arms and step in. And everything we need, you supply. You've got this in control. And now we know that you made our way. When our backs were against the wall, and it looked as if it was over, God, you made our way. And we're standing here only because you made our way. Before we finish this, where's Anthony? I want to reach in my book bag. I want to give a gift away. Can I give a gift to you? To someone? All right. This is a gift I want to give to you. It comes out on May 14th. It's my first book. It's called Are You Praying for the Wrong Thing? Who's a reader? Readers are leaders. Who's a reader? A real reader. You're gonna read it. I feel like if I throw it, you're gonna rip it apart. So, are you gonna rip it apart? Don't rip. So, Are You Praying for the Wrong Thing? It comes out May 14th, and it's on Amazon right now for pre-sale, so you can grab it. All right. So, and what makes this song Made a Way so special is because I called and sung it to my wife on the phone, and we sung it in past tense, needing God to make a way. And I think that's what makes it powerful, because when you can worship God in past tense, before the miracle happens, knowing that the miracle will happen. Is anyone here in need of a miracle? You need God to make a way? I need somebody to praise him that the way that you need to be made is already made. Come on, give him a praise because it's already done. And so I sung it as if it was done because I knew him to be a miracle worker. I said, now we're looking back on where we've come from. Because of you and nothing we've done to deserve the love and mercy you shown. Your grace was strong enough to pick heads up. And you when our backs were against. Right now, just the voices. You move, you move. One more time. You move, you move. I love this country so much. Can we go out with a party?